Yo,
All right, we are live. I have my music set, but I just can't hear a thing. Hold up. Let me see if my mic is working. Hello? Hello? Alright, mic's working. I just don't know what's going on with the music. I can't hear it, unfortunately. Not too sure what's going on there, but that's alright. I guess we'll have this stream without music. That's cool. I have no idea what is happening right now, man. There is a lot going on in it. This. So basically, just an update on where we're at. Yesterday was a pretty rough day. We did end up passing the accounts. We did fail one, which was so dumb actually. It was actually ridiculous. So we passed all the accounts, and then I didn't realize, but there's a micro scalping rule with GOAT funded futures. And basically, if you hold profits, if you get profits that are less than 2 minutes, they don't count that towards your total. And so for that one account, I had a profit obviously within the 2 minute period, and they made me have to go and re-get the profit, which was like an extra, I think it was like $700 to $1,000 I needed. And I think I was just tilted by that. All the other ones are passed, as you can see. They're all in sim funded. And then yesterday, I think that should have been my sign to just get off the charts. Still ended up trading, and so we've got about $700 worth of drawdown left in all of these accounts. So I'm going to trade these one by one. I think that was the mistake as well. I tried to copy trade all the accounts, which was just not a good idea. So yeah, just going to trade one by one, aiming for about $660 for profit for each of these. So it's 7 winning days to get to funded status. So 660 is for 620 minus the 1,250 that we lost yesterday. So it's going to put us at 3,370. We can still look to take a max payout of 1,750 per account. It's going to leave 1,600 still in the account. So more than enough to work with. We've just got to be consistent from here on out. Crazy news right now as well, with Trump doing Trump stuff. I mean, what's new? Here we go. Agreement. We've mutually agreed that while the blockade will remain in full force and effect, the movement of ships through the Strait of Hormuz will be paused for a short period of time. Ah, okay. Which is interesting. So they're going to pause the movement of ships. Okay, I don't know where this is. I wonder if this is in Iran. Because this seems pretty timely. There's explosions, and all of a sudden Trump's saying things are going to be paused. Alright, so this is in Iran as well. So I don't buy this for a second. For a second. I don't think this is good news at all. I actually want to short this for sure. Short it back into the previous weekly high here. We've just taken out Monday and Tuesday high. So I'm actually anticipating this could be high of the week. And we make new lows from here. So I'm going to take a short on these accounts, keeping the risk at 250. So 172 is this account. Alright, there's our risk of 250. TP will be down here at about 660, 680. And so what I'm hoping to do is just go live multiple times. Probably look to go live Asian pre-market, Asian open, which is in about an hour, London, and then New York PM. So with the 4 accounts, that just gives decent exposure. I don't have to take all of them at once. Really working on just slowing down, and yeah, I guess not putting all my eggs in one basket is just a lesson learned from all of this. Still super bummed about that one account, to be honest, but hey, look, it is what it is. If we get a payout, we'll obviously just reload, restack, but I'm trying to just be disciplined as well in that. It's risk management all the way around. So not just for the account, not just for the challenges, but you know, everything in between. So see how this plays out here. Just stick to an M3. I think M3 is my favorite time frame by far. And while we're waiting, we can jump into some chess. Close this. Where's the best place to put it? Maybe here. That looks okay. 7.2. The reason I'm taking the short on ES and not MNQ, ES is weaker. MNQ, they are both at all-time highs, but MNQ has had a massive explosion leaving this NDOG from the jump, whereas ES resting right here. We're at point of control right now too. Just had the new hourly open, so we're just going to be mindful of this. Is this high looking like 150? Probably adjust stops to here. Hanged with emails left and right. Okay, jumping into some chess here, but okay, perfect. That's visible. Okay, sweet. Well, do this. Block off the passage. Wow, this guy's quick, man. Trying to think. Okay, we could actually. Oh, that doesn't work anymore. Wow. Okay. We have to take. Oh my days! I didn't realize. That's a tough move, man. Go here. Take. That's the case. Oh, not the greatest start here, but that's okay. Go here. If he pushes us here, we'll just go back. Don't really want to block this guy too much. That's my only issue. I'll see if I can. Okay, that's actually not bad now. It's probably a better file for this. Look to take. Not sure what that was meant to achieve. I don't have any protection for this guy. Let's do... do this, which is a bit more forcing. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Alright, looks like our trade wants to push a little bit higher here. Do that. This is an interesting spot here now. I think this makes sense. ES is still pumping relatively hard here. This is super rough. He's cooked me here with these pawns, man. We're gonna have to, aren't we? Actually, no. And if he pushes again, then we'll get our king up. Oh, okay, nice. And focus on the queen here. I get stopped out. It's looking like it, hey. Let me just adjust this slightly in case we just want to do a turtle swoop here. Looks okay. Now we can start our pawn attack here now. Okay, ES still wants to push. No further news. Let's check MNQ as well. MNQ still has this high. ES might look to turtle swoop it. Wonder, maybe just 200. We'll look for here. Didn't realize he moved. Push. Oh, okay. This is actually really nice here. So we got a good setup. He obviously can't take because then I take. So he more than likely, yeah, will do a push. Then we want to take this. He takes us back. If he promotes, we just take. If he takes us, then we take with the rook. Yep. So we take with this, and then now this is attacking for a discovered check. So he's got to move his queen. But wherever he moves his queen, we're just going to move our rook. He's going to be in check regardless. This is nice. What is ES doing here? Yeah, so sweet. So we literally just move like this. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Beauty. Okay. Not good news for ES here though. It seems hard to believe that we are... Well, where's VAH? Actually. Let's let us right at the top. So we should probably get out, to be honest. Yeah, let's get out here. Not liking the position. Down about 150 on this account. So we're just going to leave this. We've got 600 to work with. We're going to have to come back to that a little bit later. 173 we'll look at here. If this starts dropping, bro, I'm a... Typical, hey. The markets, bro. It's okay. Learning from my lessons yesterday. I think I just held on to my trades for way too long. So I'd rather get out now. Even if it still dumps, we can look to get back in. But look, I mean, we're at all-time highs. We've just had some crazy news come out. Oil looks like it wants to push back up though. So this is interesting. Okay, so Monday's low is intact here. So I reckon we're gonna push for Monday's low with oil. I think that makes sense. So we'd expect these to go a little bit higher here. Yes, NQ. NQ looks a lot weaker though. Okay. I don't want us to come all the way down here. Look, the play is to go long for NQ now. From value area high. Right at M5, Bissy as well. Look, honestly, long on NQ actually doesn't seem too bad here. So we'll go in with a smaller amount. Just because we are in some drawdown on these accounts. Stop at this low. See if we can push for these highs once again. If we get a nice closure, then we'll just look to double our position here. Only 2 macros. Don't need to go crazy. Guys, starting to see some life coming back here. Still at point of control. No clear closure below. Looks like we are getting a decent push up. Look over to the lower time frames here. Well, to be honest, I can't hear any audio anyway, so I don't need these headphones. Got some new blue light glasses. What's up, Dom? How you doing, man? I don't know the reference, unfortunately. I don't know who Randy is from This Is Us, but I'll take it. Rough start this morning for us. 1L. At least it wasn't full R. It's probably about a 0.75 R or so. Let's see how we go. Let's jump into some chess while we wait. Nothing's really happening here, so let me flick this across here. Hopefully you guys can still see the P&L. Might make this a little bit smaller. There we go. Alright, you can see everything. Oh, there is P&L resting here too. Get into some more Randall Pearson. Let me have a look. Hope this is no insult, man. Alright, man, I'll take it. Oh, the blue light glasses, huh? Sterling K. Brown. Great actor. We'll take that. Thanks, man. Alright, so seems like we've had a nice reaction right through here. I'm just going to check the volume on TradingView here. Yeah, it's nothing really too significant. If we had a decent spike, I'd look to add in. Sound like him too. It's probably the mic. Hope you've been doing decent on the charts too, Dom. I've been off socials. I saw your message on Discord, bro. I've just been locked in. I need to, yeah. Need to put the kids to bed. Yeah, for sure. Hope your family's all well, man. Yeah, I've just, as I said, I've just been trying to take some time off the social media at the moment. Literally just lock in. Doing a lot better from that. I think Discord was just way too emotional for me at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna take like a month or two off, I reckon. See how we go. Just resting at this point of control. We've got all these nodes resting down in here too. So maybe the short play was actually it. Shouldn't have got out of our trade. That's okay. Just wait and see. We either get stopped out or we're going to look to add into the position. So just keep everything as is. Jump into some more chess. Oh, also, Dom, if you're still on stream, can you let me know if you can hear music? I can see music in my OBS like playing, but I just cannot hear a thing. So I want to make sure it's not too loud. Yeah, looking for an inversion. Really, if we can close back above this old high here, I think we're good to go. We're closing below this though, so that's not a good sign. Uh-oh. Gonna aim for the fork here if we can get it. Ah, man. Seem to be on the wrong side with the charts, man. Not our time for now, that's alright. Oh, I just realized this is free. Hold up. Mm-hmm. Dang. Alright, no bueno. No bueno here. We'll just check ES as well. Yeah. Alright, we're going back to the original idea, man. Super annoying. Just should have kept the stops where they were. That's okay. Going in with 3 micros here. Stops at this high, which is going to be above our point of control and value area high now. So that should be protected. Might even go slightly above. So max loss for the day is 250. That's going to be our 1R. So we've got about 150 left, give or take. Aiming for about 760 now. So we look to go about half. What's that? 380. Quick maths. Let's jump back to this chess game. This is not a good start, I'm not gonna lie. Not a good start. Let's double check. Main queue. This starts pumping up now again too, man. Just one of those. We're just gonna wait till 10. If we get stopped out again, man, just yeah, it is what it is. Offside. Okay, this is interesting. Let's do this. Not sure if that was the play, my guy. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think plan is going to be to move this here. Yeah, nice. Smart. Because he's taken up a square now here. We might actually try and... we can't. Guess we're going to have to do this. If he moves, he'll probably have to go here. Moves here, we just take. That's a free knight. Everywhere else. Oh. Didn't even see that. Okay, let's put the pressure on here. So we've got his queen attacked. We've got this attacked. Best move is probably there or there. Man, you have got to be joking. What is happening, man? Ah, dude. I actually don't know what to play here. Could go here, take, and then this. Yeah, okay, that's actually not bad because then we win either way. Okay, let's wait and see here. We'll see what Oil's doing as well. Still wants to push, so. Are we? Okay, interesting. Gotta be careful where I move now. I think we can just look to take, right? He's gonna go here, then it's protected with that. We'll just move this, activate it. Yeah, alright, we're good. That's on me, okay. What was his move? Okay. So we could actually in fact take here. and he will take back, and then we take. So we're down 3, but he's already up 2, so probably not the move. Kind of trapped here with all of these pieces too now. Let's do this. We're not pushing higher, which is good to see here, but not looking too likely. Yeah. Try and take this. This guy seems a little bit better than the last guy. What are you doing, man? I think that was a mistake on his part. Yeah, I think that was a mistake. Even if he takes. We'll just take this one. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, snap. And then it's the same setup that we had last time. We're actually in a little bit of trouble here. I see what you want to do. Because if I take this, he takes, and then it's discovered check. Just trying to see if there's a better move for him actually. This is actually not good. And if I move this here, yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked either way. Oh dear. Might be an L here, gents and ladies. Yeah, I can't really work my way out of this one, hey. This is probably the best move. Yeah. Well, actually, no. Because I'm still going to be in check. Oh my goodness. I would probably... Oh, I'm stuck here. Gee. Oh dear. Okay. Watching this now. At least we'll get both of our... Oh my days. Oh, it's pinned too. Dude. Yikes, we got a minute to go too. This is not a good game at all. Can't really do anything, can I? No. We'll take, that's check. I think we'll take with the pawn here. It seems to be either chess is going well and the charts are not going well, or the charts are going well and chess is not going well. So yeah, I'll take that. Pretty much inevitable on that one. I'll do the game review here. Just so we can see the blunder. I have to make this a little bit bigger. I don't think that's helped. Okay, I thought this was going to move with us. Okay, it's probably not going to work because of the screen size. That's cool. So, oh, we're back. Don't know what went down there. Let's try this again. There we go. All right. Night out, Trophy and Keto here. Super stagnant here, to be honest. Not much is happening after that initial crazy pump. Hoping for a retrace and then push back to the upside. I don't think we are going to be short for majority of the day today. Oh, I just realized. Oh, he missed it. That's protected still. Alright, decent movement. See if in this last 30 we can get down towards these lows here. He's trying to fix up his structure. We can actually let him take here. That's probably going to be the best move. We'll look to take this back. Alright, nice. Finally. Alright, it's looking good here. I like this. I'm just going to check where we are. Yeah, below point of control once again. We're going to double our position here. So we're trying to keep it like 160 because we're at a $90 loss, I believe. Yeah, daily pinner, we're at 96. So giving it to about 160 risk. Even lower is better. And again, yeah, targeting that sort of 770 to hit 660. We'll get another account ready to go if this does want to start dropping. It's probably going to castle this side anyway, so we'll get the pawns going on this side. I don't mind if he takes. Okay, that's cool. Fine by me. That's free now as well. We've got this now. We're in a good spot here. Wait, what? Missed that. Oh, dang. I did not see that. So we are not ahead anymore. I don't know whether I think we just push this pawn forward, to be honest. Castling's going to be a bit tricky here. Our king's in a really bad spot too. What to do? I don't know what he's planning here, but he can't do that. Just bring guy out. Last few seconds here. Ideally, we see this respected. It's Chop City, to be honest. Oh my days. I am throwing the ball right now, man. It's not good. Yeah, this is not good at all. This might have to be another FF. I don't know if there's any checkmates resting here. Can't push it up either now. Okay, I've got an idea. Push this here, bring this across, push this up. He takes, push this, like this. Elaborate plan, but let's see if it plays out. He's only up +4, so I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. No, that's fun. It's going to take this before yeah, there's not much I can do about this. Maybe... yeah, there's not much I can do at all, actually. Uh-oh. I'll be 2 seconds, guys. I'm actually going to have to cut the stream a little bit earlier than I had thought. I'm going to have to take the little one to swimming in a bit, so it's okay. We'll let this trade run out. Did I just get checkmated? I did too. Alright, chess, no bueno. Okay. No bueno on that front. So I'm going to have to bounce in about 20 or so, 20 minutes. That's okay. We'll jump into some poker. I'm just going to hide my login info, BRB. Sorry, my mic was muted. It just seems to be one of those days I was saying where you just can't pick the right side. But that's alright. Good fold. Gotta fold those. So I think this Asian Open is going to be pretty telling here. Movement of ships through the Strait of Hormuz will be paused. See, I don't understand that. I feel like that's just negative, right? Yeah, US dollars dropping, but stocks are pumping. It makes... I don't know what is going on in this market, guys. Makes no sense. Now I gotta orbit as well. I gotta miss a hand here. Oh no. Okay. We're just gonna fold this. I typically would try bluff, but he's got just way too many more big blinds than me, so not wise. We'll raise in this case if it folds to us. Alright, nice. Finally starting to get some movement here. I just want to see a closure really at these levels, and then we can probably look to take similar trade. I am dealer here, so I got position. Hopefully these guys both fold. Alright, nice. We'll just bet big. We got the same sizing here. I'm first, last to act, so play my ace. Nice, nice. Good play. Alright, we got about 3 minutes until Asian Open here. It's looking like we're gonna drop. We haven't really had a concrete closure below this point of control, but I'm anticipating is where we need to be. Stops should probably still be at these highs, to be honest. Which they are, I guess. Oh, snap. The pocket deuces. Nice. At least we didn't get to see a flop. Alright, last 2 minutes here. We can start to see some displacement to the downside. I'm just going to be careful where we want to get out. I think we blast through all of this. We could, again, still make high of week here and just look for meltdown. Who knows? Unlikely at all-time highs, to be honest. But let's wait and see. Nice. Not bad. I'm going to bet again just because last time this guy's going to be thinking like, is this guy just betting to throw me off? I'm going to check now. So it looks like I've just tried to bluff him, but I got nothing. Ooh. Could have 10 jack. Could very well have 10 jack. Which is, but he checks. That's not good. Yeah, dang. Nice hand, Mr. Yellow. Nice hand. Alright, last minute here. We're just gonna call here. There's not much point raising. Decent, but very likely for a straight. I'm gonna bet just because he might have picked something maybe like a 7 or something. Yeah, nice. Don't want to play around with that too much. We're gonna get it out of this one. 9-10 off. Alright, 3 seconds for Asian Open here. Let's have a look. See if we can spill down. Where are we at? We're at 6 macros here. Okay, jump in. Beauty. Alright. Perfect. Looking for 660. Like $100 stop on this. It's good to be mindful of that value area low. So that's resting at 308 for now, which is pretty much the volume imbalance. So if we get down to here, we're just going to adjust our stops even further. Oh no. Too many things at once, man. I'm glad we got out of that hand. Alright, so we'll need to leave in about 10, 15. Probably should have waited for this first 3-minute closure before jumping in. That's okay. It's following with the plan. We're still under point of control here, which is why we took the trade. Pushing significantly under as well. I think we at least hit here before we want to push back up. So I'm going to stay with the short bias for now. Especially as the original trade was that. Managing risk okay too, so that's all you can really ask for. Not too much happening. Pretty lackluster open. Yeah, this M5. Ah, dear. Today just might not be our day, ladies and gents. That's okay. Gotta get out of that one. Slow movement today. Okay, nice. King 10 suited here. Alright, minute to go for this M3 closure. If we get another decent closure, we'll probably look to take this. This isn't good. Okay, nice. Alright, we're out. Not our flop there at all. Alright, nice spill down here. In decent hands, we just can't convert. A bit rough. Alright, nice. We're gonna take this last final account, same thing. Let's wait for the closure. We'll call that. Nice, good flop. Alright, stop, resting right here. Looking for 660. There's a lot happening. A lot happening right now. $60 is keeping the stops at about that sort of 250 mark. Make the call. So value area low we've just tapped, so just got to be a little bit careful. I'm going to adjust stops on these accounts to these highs. case we want to bounce back. Looking decent now. Finally getting some run. Alright, we're gonna call this. And we'll go all in. Hopefully he doesn't have a king. If he does, we're screwed. Nice. Nice. Decent hand. Back just above starting balance now. So nothing too crazy. Alright. So we're resting right at the value area low. So let's just watch what NQ wants to do here as well. Ideally, we just spill right past this and look to fill in this gap. And that's going to be our TP for all these accounts here. If we can hit that. Ooh. Primo hand. Ace king suited here. Ah, dang. Everyone's checking. We might have to bet pretty big here. Pretty random bet. Nice. Take it down. Beauty. Just trying to see here where we're at. We'll fold that. Now, our 173 account can pretty much take at break even here if we wanted to. Our 174 account is at $90 in profit. And then this one, we're in a little bit of drawdown. So just got to keep monitoring. I don't like this pushback on NQ, if I'm being honest, but get out of this. I'm just going to adjust my stops here as well. Yeah, look. We might have overstayed our welcome here on this short. Let's wait and see. Stick to the M3. It's doing well for us so far. We'll probably just look to see if we can double our big blinds here on poker. So if we can get to 60 big blinds, then that's us done. I've got to leave in like 5 minutes. Take the little one to swimming. Nah, it's too many in the hand. If it was just one, I'd probably call this. But out of position, 2 in the hand, no bueno. And my emails are blowing up. Everything's happening right now, man. When it rains, it pours, I guess. Okay, nice. Yeah, like I can't see this being good news. If they're gonna block the free movement of ships, I feel like something's being planned for sure. There's bombs in Iran that are going off. Like it's too fishy, man. It's too fishy. Get out of that. If we drop back to 40, I'm just gonna take myself out. Of course. Of course, flop trips. Okay. MES is weaker. This is really like our sort of line in the sand here. If we break past this, then yeah, we're going to keep on going back all-time highs. So we'll watch what happens here pretty intently. I'll move my other positions to break even, I think. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, I can't really on this one. Yeah, $50 losses, alright. I don't mind that. Ace Jack, Ace 9. Pocket sixes. I typically do not like this hand, to be honest, but it's going all in. But pocket threes. Oh, rough. Rough. Okay, as I said, that's it. Yep. Give me 2 6. Okay. So spilling down, nice win on poker there too. Cool. That was the wife coming in to say it's time to take the little one to swimming. So I'm gonna have to let this do what it needs to do. God willing, we spill. And then we've still got the last account here, which is in a little bit of drawdown. So we'll look to take that either in London or New York PM session. But thank you for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your days, guys. I will catch you on the flip. Peace.